Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to download Instagram photos, so let's start. First open your Instagram app. Now you need to go on photo you want to download. I will go to search and find photo. After that go on photo and click on this three dot. No, you need to copy link, just tap on this. Then go back and go to Google. Now go to search and type Instagram downloader. And go on second site. After that you need to paste link on this. And click on download. Now scroll down when download picture, you can choose pixels you want to download. Right now you are download a picture. If you want to see, just tap on open. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.